For a little more than 6 years, company group EDS Engineering turned into reality 1,290 projects in the field of power supply and energy engineering. Market demand spurred us to implement our own production facilities, where already 400 units of EDS electric cabinets have been assembled. Experienced assemblers, electric mounting specialists and mechanics work in close cooperation with engineers, what allows us to produce even the most complex electric control equipment. The features to work with us are the following: 100 quality control at each stage, implemented ISO quality management system. The production is fulfilled in the modern manufacturing workshop with all the necessary infrastructure meeting European standards. Designing department is integrated into production process. Powder coating chamber allows to paint all the houses of our products with high quality. Flexibility during unique electric control equipment production. Energy-saving technologies implementation allow our customers to save money thanks to our product costs. Unique team ready to turn in life the most complicated solutions of electrical engineering. The following production departments are included to our electric control equipment production process. Department of Incoming Inspection, warehouse, where purchased equipment and materials are checked. Department of Welding of Construction Steelworks, where metal houses of panels, cabinets and included transformer substations are welded. Department of Painting of Constructional Steelworks, where surface degrease and cleansing treatment is fulfilled with further powder paint coating and baking a tunnel curing oven. Department of Bus Processing, where complex processing of aluminium and copper buses is fulfilled. The machine is equipped with CNC unit, what allows to bend, to cut and to perforate buses according to preliminary set parameters. Department of Small Piece Assembling, Workpieces Preparation, where components for further electric control equipment assembling are prepared. Department of Electric Control Equipment Assembling, where low voltage and middle voltage included units are assembled. Department of Outgoing Inspection and Technical Engineering Department. Every production item meets European quality standards, what is confirmed by ISO certificate. EDS Engineering, Energy and Control.